Thanks for tuning in. On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your tow haul button.
Malfunction. Need input.
On this truck, it doesn't want to work. Let's disconnect the battery. First step, you disconnect the negative battery terminal. And if you're interested in what kind of terminals these are, you can check out my other video I did on another truck. Okay, with your battery disconnected, turn the key to on with your foot on the brake. You're going to lower your gear selector all the way down to the very bottom. And tilt the wheel all the way down. Now we're going to remove this dash piece right here, and you just need to pull across the top. Tilt it forward, and then it slips right up and out. Now here, put the vehicle back into park, and you can let your foot off the brake. And next we're going to remove this lower dash piece right here. There's two bolts, and they are 7mm. And just pull it straight out towards you. Now my clips that go on right here, mine fell out. These are going right there. So that was really easy. So if it's really tough for it to come out, just keep pulling and it'll go. I'll have to replace those clips some other time. So next we're going to take off this part under here. Pull off your tilt lever. This comes just straight off. Now to get this lower piece off, it's kind of tricky. But I like to get my hooker tool, get up underneath here and just start to pull down a little bit. Like that. And then the same thing on this side. There we go. You can see up here we have a torn shift boot as well. Just gonna pull that all the way off. Now you can see the wire. This orange wire is what tells the truck's computer tow haul on or off, and it looks fine. But where these break is right here. There you go. Pull it out a little bit. Right inside that clip is where it broke. So let's take that off and then take off the shifter. So if you follow the orange wire all the way down, there's a little clip right here. And you just need to unclip this tab. Like that. You can just fish the wire out. You can take off these clips as you go. Now we're going to take off this bolt right here, or screw. This is a T27 bit. And you just remove the shifter, like so. I'm going to strip away some of this orange sheathing here. Just a little bit. I got a separate wire attached here. Solder this up. Okay, I got my solder on, I got my shrink wrap on, and I'm just gonna heat shrink this real quick. Slide up here. Shrink wrap. Alright, let's go put this back in the truck. Okay, and then to put it back in, we just is going to start with inserting that into that spot, and routing the wire the same way we took it off. You get your bolt in there. Get our torn up shift boot back on. I gotta order one of these. Plug back in your tilt.
It's the little lever thing.
Move your gear selector all the way down. Tilt all the way down. You can get dash surround back in. Make sure go in the right holes.
It looks like I'm a wreck. It's in the hole!
And then reconnect the battery. And we got tow haul.
Look at that.
Looky there. Won't that be nice when you're towing stuff? Alright guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Smash that like button, subscribe if you want to see more stuff. I got a lot more things I'm doing to this truck.